In this video, we are going to unbox and review an action camera. So let's get started. There is the box. I had bought this camera from Amazon for 2000 rupees. You can see the standard Amazon packaging. Let's cut it open. My first impression with the box is that this looks cheap. The packaging is loose. Let's see the spec on the back of the box. It says 16 megapixel image resolution and 4K video resolution. On the side of the box, there are images of different accessories available with the camera. On the left side of the box, you can see the QR code to download the app that lets you remotely control the camera. Now, let's open this up. So as you can see, everything is loosely arranged. Let's put everything out of the box. Let's keep everything aside and let's take a look at the camera. The camera comes inside a waterproof housing. According to the box, the camera is safe until 30 meters underwater. Let's remove the casing. There is a sliding mechanism on the top that lets you open the casing. And there it is, the 2000 rupees action camera. Let's peel off the plastic from the top of the lens. On the right side, you can see the HDMI port, the micro USB port with the memory card slot. Then there is the 2-inch LCD screen. On the top, you have the OK button, and on the other side, you have the up and down button and the speaker. On the front of the camera, you can see the power button. Let's try to power this up. But I think there is no charge. So let's charge it and try again. And the camera turned on. So let me show you some of the footage from the camera, and then I would tell what I feel about it. As you can see, the camera has minimum to no dynamic range. As soon as little shadows coming, the sky blows out. The clarity of the camera is worst I have ever used. Even 10 years ago, Nokia could make better camera than these. One of the worst things I felt was that it said 4K, and even in camera options it says 4K, but it doesn't shoot 4K. Similarly, the camera says it can shoot 16 megapixel images, but it can do only 12 megapixel bad quality photos. Even though the accessories are good, it has no use since the camera is bad. In control lighting scenarios, it can do okay, but outdoors it is worse. This is by far one of the worst purchases I have ever made. I have returned this item. I am making this video so that if you are looking to buy this camera, my request is don't buy it. Thank you for watching and hope you won't buy this camera. Until next time, this is Asish. Goodbye.